Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about some ingredients that are easily available in your home and you can use it for a clear complexion. So the first one is a raw potato. You can use it as a slice or as a potato juice, or you can make a paste out of it. And potato helps to delay the process of aging. It reduces blemishes and dark spots. It has magnesium, which helps reduce the acne and oiliness of your skin. It contains potassium also, which helps to grow new skin cells. So the second ingredient is a cucumber. You can use it as a slice, as a juice, or as a paste. Now cucumber has antioxidants which helps to reduce wrinkles and treats skin irritation. Cucumber contains a lot of minerals and vitamins. It contains phenolic acid, which helps to reduce the redness and patchiness on your skin. Phenolic acid reduces the sign of aging and treats warts and blisters. So the third ingredient is curd. Whenever you use the curd, make sure that you whip it well so there are no lumps in it. Now curd contains lactic acid, which helps your skin with its shedding process, and this will help your skin looking young and fresh. Always apply a thick layer so that your skin can absorb it better. You can do it twice, like apply one layer, and when it get absorbed, then apply the second layer. So the fourth ingredient is raw milk. Milk helps to hydrate your skin and reduce tanning. Contains lactic acid, calcium, vitamins and proteins which help to regenerate skin cell. They help in shrinking your pores and repair the tissue so that your skin is more elastic. Do apply a second layer of the milk after the first one dries up. You can use these masks on a daily basis, either a single mask or you can change it as per your choice. You can feel a soft and clear skin. So clear skin and fair skin are two different versions. So these will give you a clear skin rather than a fair skin. So don't get confused. And this was all about this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till my next video, take care and bye bye.